Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be seeing about the air conditioner. How does the air conditioner works? What is an air conditioner and what are the types of air conditioner? So air conditioner, it is often referred to as an AC, is the process of removing heat and moisture from an interior of an occupied space to improve the comfort of the occupants. So it removes the dust and the heat from the room and it gives out the heat so that to give a cool breeze. Air conditioning can be used both in domestic and a commercial environment. The process is most commonly used to achieve a more comfortable interior environment, typically for humans and other animals. However, air conditioning is also used to cool and dehumidify rooms filled with heat producing electronic devices such as computer servers, power amplifiers, and to display store some delicate products such as artwork. So usually if you see about any computer labs, it will be in an air conditioned room because of the heat produced. In order to remove the heat continuously, it is an air conditioned room. So this is an typical image of a air conditioner where you can see a control panel, a front grill, thermostat sensor. So the purpose of the sensor is to read the input and to produce some output according to that, and an evaporator coil, condenser, compressor, and a blower, partition, fan. So you can see there is an evaporator, condenser, compressor. Is it a refrigeration system? Yes, it is also a type of vapor compression refrigeration only. So this is an image of a air conditioner. So this is an inlet image. Can tell it as a top view. So we can see the warm air through warm air from the air. It enters the system through the evaporator. The blower, it helps in the fan rotation, which gives out the air, hot air to the atmosphere. So there is a motor, blower, evaporator, and a compressor along with this. So the working is similar to that of a vapor compression only. So these are the main equipments used in an air conditioning system, that is circulation fan. The main function of this fan is to move air from and to the room. Air conditioning unit, it is a unit which consists of cooling and dehumidifying process for summer air conditioning, or heating and humidification process for winter air conditioning. Supply duct, it directs the conditioned air from the circulating fan to space the air condition at a proper point. Supply outlets, these are the grills which distribute the conditioned air evenly in the room. Return outlets, these are the openings in the room surface which allow the room air to enter the return ducts. And filters, the main function of the filter is to remove the dust, dirt, and other harmful bacteria from the room. So the next one is a split AC. So split AC is same as that of air conditioner only, but the only difference is air conditioner, it will be kept as a whole system inside in the room, but a split AC, one half will be on the one side of the wall and the other half will be in the other side of the wall, but except that all the parts, everything will be remaining the same. It is called as a split AC because it has an inside and an outside part. So one part will be fit inside the room and the other part will be fitted outside the room. Most central heating units are of these types only. The reason for the split is that, like other models, especially window units, it keeps the hot outside and the cool inside. The compressor and the condensing coil are kept outside the house, and the evaporator and the blower are on the inside of the house. So this is how the what are the basic parts present in an air conditioner and how a split AC works. So these are the things that are to be discussed in the air conditioner. Thank you.